be my second cordless vacuum that I've purchased from WYZE, but I wanted an additional one to keep upstairs. It is super lightweight. Y'all, this is like the upgraded version from the one that I have, but you can just like take it apart and just use this top part. Like if you want to clean the stairs or if you want to clean out your car or get in the corners, you can take it apart right there and just use it as a long stick vacuum or as a regular vacuum. It works great on my rugs, my carpet, my stairs, everything. Y'all, I'm gonna link it below, but I'm also gonna do another video that's gonna show you me using it.